Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. Can you see this beautiful flower, or I call it ruffles? I don't really know the name to call it, but it looks so beautiful. You can see how it looks. So if you like to learn how I achieve this, kindly watch this video till the end. It was made from satin. Okay, so I don't want to waste much of our time. Let's get started. We're going to use this for making it. Okay, so these are just the item I will need. Just my satin fabric. Okay, satin. You can use ribbon. So I'm using the measurement is 2 inches. Okay, as you can see, 2 inches of any length you want. So I'm just going to be cutting them because it's petals. I'm cutting out petals. So just fold it like this in form of a triangle. Form of a triangle like this and cut it out. Ensure that the two ends touches this other horizontal line like so. A perfect triangle, as you can see. Okay, so cut it out. This is what we need, just a square. You can also use a ruler to cut out a square shape. Okay, but this is more easier. Once you cut out 2 inches of a long strip, just fold it and cut. Thereafter, I'll fold it in form of a triangle like this, then another triangle like this. Can you see it? The first triangle is like this, and the second triangle is like this. Either you fold to this side or you fold to this side, it's still going to give you the same result. Okay, fold it like this, then start from one end. You can start from the side where it's doubled. Just try to give it a round shape, like trim off this excess, then trim it like so. So you have something like this round. Okay, if you see that it's not so round, you can as well trim it so that it can be round. I'm going to go ahead and cut out the rest of them like that. Cut out as many as possible. Okay, it's better that you have enough than you don't have enough. Okay, so that's it. Here are some of them that I cut out. I'm going to go ahead and light up my candle. You can use lighter direct, but most times it's usually difficult because the lighter gets heated up and you start feeling the heat. Okay, so it's preferable to use candle. Just go down at the blue part of the flame. The breeze is disturbing it. The blue part of the flame, just place it like so, so that I can burn off the rough edges so it will stop fraying. Once you are done with one part, just twist it a little bit like so. Okay, so that it can give it a petal shape. You know, normally petals are not straight, they kind of have rough edges. Just bend it like so. You can see it, right? This is what we hope to achieve. So I will continue like that. Please, if you have been watching us and you have subscribed to this channel, thank you. I want to especially thank you for supporting us. And if you've been here watching our videos without subscribing, you are not helping us. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. You are not paying for subscribing, okay? Just subscribe and turn on the post notifications so that you can get notified anytime we upload new videos. And we are also going live every day on Facebook at Ahviworld. Kindly join us so that you can have opportunity to ask whichever questions you want. And we're also doing live practicals, and it's beginners friendly. Also feel free to share it with your friends so that they can learn a skill as well. Okay, and see them, you can see how they look, so lovely. Just look at the petal shape, it looks so nice. So I cut out 2 extra, and this one I'm not going to twist the edge because I'm going to use it as at the base. Okay, so I'm just burning it like that, not twisting, just for it to stop frailing. Okay, so just like that. I got out 2 pieces that I'm going to use for that purpose. So as you can see them, they are a lot. I have about 24 plus these 2 extra. Okay, for these 2 I'm going to join them together like this. So I'll go ahead first of all, add my glue and join them together. So just press it down, it's stuck. This is what we want. The essence is to make it thick. You know, since it's the base, it needs to be hard. Okay, it needs to be hard. So I'm going to pick out, because there are some, you know, as they said, all figures are not equal. Some are smaller than the others, so I'm just going to pick out the smaller ones so that I can use them to form the base of these as well. Okay, so let's say I pick out about 6 of them. So I'm going to go ahead, add my glue on this, directly on the base or to the base. Okay, so I'll add a little at one end and stick it right there. Make sure it's close to the end. Take another one, add some glue at one end, place it over it, let it overlap a little bit. As you can see here, repeat same on all others. And I'll raise here up and put it, that was the first one I started, just raise it a little bit so that it can go in there. Okay, so these are the clusters of headers I have already. Okay, when working with it, ensure that the back is very neat so that the glue will not come out. So this is what I have. Then we're going to start working all this on top of it. So I'm just going to take it on the inner side, the side that is not shining, just add a little glue at the middle and close it like so. Okay, repeat same on all of that. Ensure that you hold it for a while for it to stick before you release your hands. Okay, then take the next one and repeat same. So after doing it this way, I'm going to do the next step. Let me just show you some before I do the rest completely. I'm going to look for the middle. This is the middle, right? This middle, I'm going to make sure that I fold this part like this, up one side to the middle, then the other side to the back. You get it? Like I'm making a W. One side like this, hold it right there. You can see it, right? Hold it like this, put it right there, then take this side to the back and hold it right there. This one is going to be. So when I finish that, I will just open up the first place and add some glue in between there. Just a little glue. Hold it right there. Not so much, because once it's too much, the glue starts coming out and it's not going to be nice. Then repeat same on the other side. Add a little glue as well. And hold it right there. Hold it for a while for it to stick, then you release. This is how it's going to be. So let me do another one before I do the rest. Fold here, hold it right there, fold it side to the back, hold it right there. Okay, at the end of the day you will be having this place sharp like a V. Okay, so now I release my hand, add glue at the first place, on the other side add my glue as well. Hold it right there for it to stick and leave it. Okay, so I'm going to make some like this. I'm splitting them, then I'll make some just like this, just the shorter ones, like the ones that are not so big. After adding glue at the middle, holding it right there. So depending on what you want, these other ones that I folded double, I'm going to make sure they'll be at the middle. While this one I'm just making now, I'm just going to fold it into two like this, just in half. This one I'll just add my glue here, and that's it. I'll hold it for it to dry. That's it. I hope you are following. Take the next one, add your glue at the midpoint, hold it right there. Thereafter, add glue at the midpoint here, fold and hold it right there. So this is what we want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and split them. I'll make some like this, then make some double. This is single folding, this is double folding. So I'm going to just split them, then get back to us, okay? So here are the ones I folded double, and these are the single ones. So I'm going to start from this one I folded double. I'm going to make sure the rest are this midpoint here, okay? So I'm making sure that the opening sides they are all going to be facing one direction like so. Okay, so I'll add some glue and just stick it. Also add some glue on this piece. So stick it right there. Take the next one. Stick. Okay, this is what we have. So I'm going to take some of this and add some little ones. Round the side, just raise it up a little bit and stick it there. I'm raising the first one I did, okay? Just raise up a little and stick it there, then press it, leave it down. Okay, so this is what we have. I'll check anyway I know that it's having space so that I can add more there. I'll need to add one more here. So once I'm done, I'll try to see how I can add some more. Just try to fill in any space you see around. You can as well fill it up so that it covers everywhere, but I like to add some beads at the middle. Okay, I like to add some beads, so depends on what you want to do. Okay, you can see the way I'm doing it now. Maybe I need one more at the middle here so that I can cluster everything. So here's what we have. It's looking beautiful already. I'm going to add some beads in between. Before then, I'm just going to add some white feathers because what I'm making, I'm going to combine with white. So that's why I'm adding the white feathers. So that's a request from my client. I'm just placing it at the back because it's going to rest on a fascinator. Okay, so this is going to be the embellishment I'm going to use for the fascinator. So this is how it's going to be. Then I'll just add some beads, some hair beads in between. At this time you have to be careful because the glue is very hot. Maybe I will even unplug it so that I will not burn my hands. I unplugged it. Just drop one at a time. Yay, a beautiful ruffle is ready. Can you see how beautiful it's looking? Just look at the beads. It looks so outstanding. Wow, this is lovely. Who would believe that this was made from satin fabric? I'm going to use it like this to embellish the fascinator I'm going to make. It's going to be blue and a touch of white, so that's why I made it like this. So I wouldn't know which of the video I'm going to post first, whether the full fascinator or this one, whichever way you're going to watch either one. Okay, wow, if you love this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do that, and God will bless you. Thanks for watching. Bye. Love you.